Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare shrimp in garlic sauce, Camarones al Ajillo. Camarones al Ajillo are shrimps that are cooked in a garlic sauce and served with double fried plantains, tostones. For this recipe, I will be using fresh cilantro and garlic from my garden to create intense rich flavors in this dish. So let's go to pick the fresh produce. This is the cilantro, and we just need a few sprigs. Here we have the garlic, and I'm going to dig up one garlic bulb. Before we prepare the garlic mixture, I rinsed 1 pound of raw jumbo shrimp that were purchased peeled and deveined. This is a fresh garlic bulb from my garden. To remove the cloves of garlic, I am going to insert my knife to split open the garlic bulb. I am going to cut off the roots and this end, and now we can remove the cloves of garlic. To peel a garlic clove, place a clove under the flat side of a knife blade and press down with the palm of your hand until you hear a crack. Now you can peel the garlic clove. This is our pilon, mortar, and pesto, an essential kitchen tool in our culture. Let's place 6 fresh garlic cloves in mortar and mash the garlic with pesto. I remember my mother with her pilon cooking in the kitchen. I would ask her, "Mami, ¿qué tú haces?" Her response, "Estoy machacando los ajos." She loved her pilon. We just finished mashing the garlic cloves. In a bowl, add the mashed garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of light salt or to taste. 1 teaspoon of fresh oregano. And 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir to mix all the ingredients. Let's season the shrimp with half of the garlic mixture. I rinsed the fresh cilantro and removed the long stems. The next step is to chop several sprigs of cilantro. We can start preparing the shrimp in garlic sauce. In a skillet, heat 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And 3 tablespoons of butter over high heat. Once the butter has melted, add the other half of garlic mixture. And fresh chopped cilantro. Stir to mix all the ingredients. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes before adding the shrimp. Place the seasoned shrimp into skillet. And squeeze the juice from 1/2 of a lemon. Stir to coat the shrimp with the butter garlic sauce. Reduce heat to low and saute the shrimp for approximately 5 to 8 minutes or until the shrimp turns pink. After a few minutes of cooking, you will notice that the shrimps are not as translucent. After a total of 6 minutes of cooking, you can tell that the shrimps are cooked by the pink color. The shrimp and garlic sauce is ready. The shrimp and garlic sauce, Camarones al Ajillo, is not complete unless it is served with double fried plantains, tostones. This dish can also be accompanied with a salad. Since I grow my cilantro, I prefer to prepare this dish with cilantro instead of parsley. Today, some recipes also call for crushed red pepper flakes and cooking wine. You can definitely add them to this recipe if you want to. Let's taste the shrimp in garlic sauce. Qué rico. The shrimp is so tender with intense garlic and cilantro flavors due to using fresh produce. Delicious. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare shrimp in garlic sauce, Camarones al Ajillo. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.